That's my be eating over here every day, man.
Yeah.
He said the last one. He's a good cat, though. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? What? Of course you can't eat cat food. What kind of statement is that?
Of course, it's cat food.
You're crazy, though.
Jayden, you can pet Mr. Ash if you want.
I know. But my mom could be allergic to it. No.
I'm actually allergic to cats.
No, I'm not. I'm not
I didn't
allergic.
say you, Demi. It's being narcissistic.
I'm
Say
not
me.
allergic to cats. Because, Daddy, I'm not allergic to cats.
No one said you. I said me. Now everything's about you. Okay. Alright, good.
We never got cat food. We just got the whole bag or something. Because we don't have that one because you didn't brought that one for the day.
Okay.
Now look, there's no bears in there.
No bears?
Nope. Jayden, if there's bears in that wood,
No, only deers.
ears?
Mm-hmm.
My dad used to take me in the ears. Deers.
Only deer. The deer's never plural, Demi.
You guys went hunting for deers?
No, she's bugging.
Oh, and we drive Pop-Up's car because Mommy can't go in that other car because she has to drive that car. And I go in that one too. And I used to go that one.
Okay, Demi. You're spilling over tea. It's a metaphor. All right, let's let Mr. Ash eat, okay? He's almost done, it looks like.
He's going crazy.
Yeah, look, they call him Wolverine.
Jayden, you want to see what I can do?
Let's see.
Okay, Demi.
Cool.
Let me get inside. Yeah, whenever he's done, you can just just throw that part away. Yep.
Right.
Thanks, Jayden. I'll let you know. Let me know in the pool. Like I said, that will
Yeah,
come
of
through.
course.